Alright, hello first graders. Alright, we're ready for day 4. So, we've been talking about how buildings are made. So, we have been talking about vocabulary like intend. What does that mean? It means you're happy, right? Intend means you plan on doing it. Marvelous. Marvelous means that it's awesome, right? So fruit is marvelous because it's good for you. Even it's marvelous kind of how fruit grows, right? It grows off trees and it takes a while, doesn't it? Project is something that you do or you create, right? And a structure is the building or what's around you. Okay. Alright, we're going to read a story called Small Joy. The title is called Small Joy. So this is a non-fiction. It means it's real. It's going to tell us real information. And we see real pictures, don't we? We see real pictures, real photos. Alright, so let's read about a tiny building. It says Small Joy. Tiny houses can go where their owners go. Many people live in tiny houses. Tiny houses look small, but they feel big inside. This tiny house has one bedroom and one bathroom. It says tiny houses do not take a long time to build. Tiny houses do not cost a lot. And tiny houses do not take up a lot of energy or materials. They are good for the earth. So this caption right here says, Dee climbs a ladder to get to her bedroom. So how many bedrooms did it tell us it had? It had one, didn't it? It says this tiny kitchen has everything Dee needs. So the teeny tiny kitchen. If you had your own tiny home, what would you have in it? What would you have in it? I think it'd be really cool to have a bunk bed in it, don't you? So tiny homes, there's different places and people that make tiny homes. And so this one is attached to a truck, right? And they can move it around. I want you to think about, have you seen a tiny home? They're good for what? What are they good for? They're good for the earth, aren't they? Alright, I want to know the main idea. What was this story, Small Joy, all about? It was about a tiny home, right? Who is the character in the story? We read that in the captions, didn't we? Her name was Dee, wasn't it? Alright, I'm going to say some sounds and I want you to blend them together to make the word. Ready? Oi, what's the word? Toy, good job. Oi, ooh. What's the word? Soil, good job. Oi, what's the word? Boy, good job. Oi, what's the word? Choice, good job. Oi, oh. What's the word? Spoil, good job. Oi, voice, good job. Alright, we've been talking about O-I and O-Y, and that's how they're spelled, but what sound does it make? On the count of 3, I want you to tell me. 1, 2, 3. Right, oi, it says oi, like in oin, an oyster. So you guys have been watching some videos this week on oi. Alright, let's do this one. This is a coil. Coil, so what's the first sound? I'm going to get my whiteboard out and write it. Right, C. And then we have oi. So how are we going to spell it? O-I or O-Y? Well, remember the Y comes at the end, right? So we're going to spell it O-I. And then we have O. So coil. C-O-I-L. Coil. Alright. What is that? Alright, this is a toy. Toy. So oi. So it's spelled with the T. And then we talked about O-I or O-Y. What would go there? O-Y, right? Because the Y is at the end of the word. So toy. Toy. And that's how we would spell toy. Alright, let's read some of these words. Ready? We see all the O-I in the middle of the word and the O-Y at the end. So this one is What's the word? Join. Okay, the next word was soil. Let's chop them out. Ready? Soil. S-O-I-O. Soil. Good job. It has 3 sounds. Boy. B-oy. How many sounds? 2. Good job. Let's do this word. Spoil. Make sure you're doing it with me. P-oy-o. How many? 4. Very good. Then we have this word. Toy. Ch-oy. How many? 2. Alright, what about this one? Oil. Oil. How many? 2. Very good. Now a syllable is a part of a word. You can clap to find out the syllables in a word. So riddle. Riddle. How many syllables? Has 2, doesn't it? Okay, let's do this one. We're going to clap them out. Okay, I'm not going to draw a line. I'm going to draw an imaginary line. This word is cradle. Cradle. So this imaginary line would go right here after the A. Cradle. So I draw a line right there. Okay, apple. Apple. How many syllables? 2. So apple. Apple. So I draw a line right here. Alright, let's do battle. 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 How many syllables? 2. So I would draw a line right after the T. Wait, eagle. Eagle. So I draw a line right after the EA because that says E. Then we have title. Title. So right after the I. Saddle. Saddle. Right after the A. Alright, let's spell say. Ready? Spoil. S-P-O-I-L. Spoil. Coin. C-O-I-N. Coin. Join. J-O-I-N. Join. Joy. J-O-Y. Joy. Toy. T-O-Y. Toy. Boy. B-O-Y. Boy. Town. T-O-W-N. Town. Mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Build. B-U-I-L-D. Build. Fall. F-A-L-L. Fall. Alright, let's practice our sight words. You say them. Let's whisper them. Alright, shout them. Above. Let's whisper this one. Alright, let's shout this one. New. Okay, let's whisper this one. Let's whisper it. Now let's shout it. Build. How about this one? Let's whisper it. Now let's shout it. Money. Okay, let's whisper this word. Alright, let's shout it. Fall. Alright, let's whisper this word. Alright, let's shout it. Toward.